Hello everyone, welcome back to Chung Social Tools channel. Today, I'll show you how to automatically warm up your accounts and watch Instagram Reels completely on autopilot. First, open the Instagram software. This tool helps you manage multiple accounts at once. For example, I'm currently managing around 40 accounts, each assigned a separate proxy to avoid bans or shadow bans. To auto-watch Reels, go to the Viral Marketing section and select Interact with Reels video. Then choose the accounts you want to run, for example, 15 accounts, and set the number of threads to run simultaneously. Next, configure key settings like watch duration, 7 to 15 seconds per video, number of follows, 1 to 2, number of post interactions, 5 to 12. The software will randomly choose a number within these ranges for each action. Additionally, if you want to see a specific Reels video, you can paste the video link and boost views, likes, follows, and comments. But in this example, I'll leave it in recommended video mode so the accounts behave more naturally. Once everything is set, just hit Start, and the tool will run automatically. You can monitor the activity in real time. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram at @2chungmkt or WhatsApp. You can also check out more of our products at mktinsta.com. Just drop me a message if you need any help. I'll respond right away. All right, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
You